Welcome back to the channel. Planning a trip to Canada? This video is your complete step-by-step guide on applying for a Canada Visit Visa, also known as the Temporary Resident Visa, or TRV. I'll break it down clearly, so even if it's your first time applying, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. So what is a Canada Visit Visa? It's an official document from the Canadian government that allows you to enter Canada temporarily, usually for up to 6 months. You need this visa before you travel, and it's stamped or attached to your passport. Not everyone needs a visit visa. If you're from a visa-required country like Pakistan or India, you must apply for a visit visa before coming to Canada. If you're from a visa-exempt country like the UK, you'll just need an ETA, which is simpler. Check your status on the official Canada immigration website. Now let's talk about the documents you'll need to apply. A valid passport, a recent passport-sized photo, proof of funds, purpose of visit, invitation letter, proof of ties to your home country, travel history, and any additional documents requested. Make sure all documents are clear and in English or French, or have certified translations. Now, here's how to apply. Create an account on the official IRCC website, start your application, upload your documents, pay the visa fee, and submit your application. After submitting, you'll receive a letter asking for biometrics, fingerprints, and a photo. Visit a nearby visa application center to give biometrics, and don't forget your passport and biometrics letter. Visa processing time varies. It can take weeks to months, and you can track your application online. If your visa is approved, you'll get a request to send in your passport to get your visa stamped. Here are a few quick tips. Be honest, show strong ties to your home country, don't buy flight tickets until your visa is approved, and double-check all documents before uploading. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Canada Visit Visa step by step. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application. Allah Hafiz.